In this video, we are going to download and install Arduino's latest version, Arduino IDE latest version. Here we have the official website of Arduino, that's arduino.cc. Just open that. Here we have the option software. In software we have downloads. Just click on downloads. Under downloads, Arduino, okay, just scroll down. We need the download option. Yes, there we have Arduino 1.8.13 is the latest version. We have Windows, Linux and Mac options there. Here we are going to install this version for Windows 10 system. So Windows installer is the easiest method. So click on Windows installer, then contribute to the Arduino software. Just scroll down. We have just download option. Yes, just click on just download. The downloading process will be started. Okay, this will take some time. The exe file is almost 112 MB size, so let's wait for it to complete. Okay, it's completed. Now it is downloaded into default downloads folder. Okay, just click on that. Okay, now it will ask administrative permission. Just click on yes. Then we have license agreement. Now we will give I agree. All these options are needed, so next. Then we have the folder in which all these files should be installed. Then install. Installation process just started. I think ch340 driver is also included in this particular version, so we need not download it separately for clone Arduino boards. It's completed. Close. Okay, now we will have the desktop icon for Arduino. Let's just launch it. Okay, now starting. Yes, just maximize it. Okay, now it is successfully launched. Now let's check where all these files are being installed. There it is by default, it is in local disk C, program files, Arduino. Okay, all these are installed, successfully installed. Okay, now let's check what are the new features included in this particular version. Okay, tools boards manager is there. Arduino AVR boards are included. Okay, next we have ESP8266 boards also included. So this is very useful for those who are using NodeMCU and all. They need not download it separately. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.